How to buy ASHA token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Not to be able to buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. They include it on their X account. Now let's go and buy this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. And this token, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token, it's under the Solana network. As you can see, copy the tokenization from here, open your financial wallets, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now, so that's what you need to do. Just click on your token and here tap how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds and you will see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider from here, for example, Jupiter. Be sure to read all of that information and after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy ASHA token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.